Here we have a IQF line for frozen shrimp. The shrimp will come in right here in the combo bins, something like this or bigger. Someone told me that holds 2,000 or 3,000 pound combo bins. This is a declumper. If the shrimp is just all stuck together, there's a apparatus in there that will flatten the shrimp out, take it down to a level size with the conveyor, so it's it easily transfers the cooling to freeze them faster. So the shrimp will come off the combo bin, dumped into, I call it a declumper, come up here. They'll be laid flat here. There's 2 inspection stations, catwalks, all stainless on each side, into the CO2 tunnel. Tunnel was just disconnected, and that's the way it's been left. The tank is gone. It went back to the gas company. Everything looks really good, just dusty. It's been shut off for about probably 6 months. There's the CO2 tunnel. I believe it's about 60 feet. 40, 50 feet maybe. Stainless stacks, exhaust stacks. There is the de-icer as it comes out. If any of the shrimp are frozen together, this will break it up. I'm assuming it's a spray. It looks like it's a bath here that sprays on top to break the shrimp up. Here's a cleated incline conveyor. Feeds it up to this point. For this product here, we'll go to probably just to a combo bin. And then what they do is there's a diverter right here, and it'll divert in the combo bin, but it'll also divert it into this hopper, which will feed it up on the incline belted skirted conveyor up to the packaging machine or the scale. It's combination scale, 14 head dimpled pan. I believe it's Yamato. There's a feeder up there. It looks like it's a vibratory feeder. And they have a packaging machine. Now, the packaging machine, they said, is sold, but it's still here. And I don't think they've gotten any money for it. It's a vertical form fill and seal machine. I believe it's a PACMAC model 9500. All PLC controlled. Has let's see the inside here. Yeah, it's a comes into the side. The ceiling heads are on the bottom, and it looks like it makes a it's a folded pouch. Folded bag is the finished product. So here's the forming shoe. The forming shoe will fold the bag to the back. The front seal takes place right here, and then here's our bottom seal and cutoff. It's an older machine. It probably says it was doing 60 packages a minute, but with the way they clean up this plant, they have a lot of hard water deposits, and that would need to be cleaned. But it's a vertical machine. It'll do almost anything that can flow. Go have a look up here. On the scale, we have 15, 14. So it's a 14 head. There's your diverter. And then this is a vibratory feeder. They have photo eyes in there to pick up product. There's the pans, that's what they look like. The weigh buckets are all, they look like in good shape. It's a nice scale, all stainless. Mezzanine, all stainless. Catwalks, all stainless. This doesn't look like it's been cleaned. That's a good overview of the whole line. Here's a feeder. They have photo eyes here to pick up. The whole system has got photo eyes in it to control flow. But it's a pretty straightforward unit. To say, stainless catwalks all the way around. The cushions on the vibratory. Controls for the scale. Stainless catwalk. All the conveyors have drip pans on them. All the motors are stainless on it. Watertight, wash down. And FDA, USA approved. I would say this whole line needs just some cleaning. And I mean, everything's ready to go. The CO2 tunnel needs to be tested. Everything's